The sound of war drums echoes in my mind. With every heartbeat, the truth I can't unwind. I've got my boots on, I'm ready to fight. But this battle's within, and it won't end tonight. Like a storm, I'm homeward bound. But who am I now? The ghost of the warrior I can't take a bow. Memories haunt me, the faces rewind. The scars of this war are etched in my mind. Bravery fades as the silence descends. I fight through the shadows, but will it ever end? Fight for my country, losing my heart. This savage war rips my soul apart. Shadows conspire. Can I find the strength amidst this fire? Alone in the darkness I rise from the grave. The soldier reborn, ready to be brave. Finding my footing in a world so cold. I'll battle for peace with a heart made of gold. In the grip of despair I redefine me. From loss to redemption, a soldier finally free. The struggles are many, the path is unclear, but I'll fight to find hope. I will conquer my fear. So here's to the fighters, the brave and the bold. Together we stand, our stories unfold. The soldier's battle, it's not just mine. In unity we'll rise, together we shine.